So for those of you who aren't familiar with Marie Curie, you should know that she's one of the greatest female scientists that's ever lived. She's the one who discovered the elements radium and polonium, and she's made huge contributions to our understanding of radioactivity. She's the first person to use the term radioactivity. In fact, she was the first of many things. She was the first woman to receive her Doctorate of Science in Europe. She was the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize, which she got in 1903 for physics for her discovery of radioactivity. And she was also the first woman professor, lecturer, and head of laboratory at the Sorbonne University in Paris. In 1911, she won her second Nobel Prize, but this time in chemistry, for her discovery and isolation of pure radium, thus making her the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes. She received 15 gold medals, 19 degrees, and other honors. So all of these accomplishments are pretty famous, but not many people know of the complications Marie Curie faced in her life. Like on April 19, 1906, her husband Pierre Curie died after his head was crushed suddenly by a horse-drawn carriage. This was pretty devastating for Marie, but she devoted all of her time to finishing the research that they started together, which is pretty cool. And it was at this time that she became the first woman to teach at the Sorbonne University after she'd been appointed to take over her late husband's classes. Throughout this time, she worked really hard, and it all paid off when she won her second Nobel Prize in 1911. However, there were a lot of rumors and gossip around this award. Jealous scientists thought that she'd been awarded it out of pity because her husband had just died. Like, come on, get real. And others speculated that she was morally unfit to receive the award because of an affair she had with a married man, Paul Langevin. Like, seriously, this man was not only a longtime family friend and student of Pierre's, but he was also known as a sexist and a philanderer. Like, come on. She was accused by newspapers of breaking up a good French home because she was Polish. And it got so bad that she found a mob in front of her house one time, and she had to leave her home and take refuge with her friends. And before all of this happened, the Swedish Academy had told her that she'd be winning another Nobel Prize. But once Paris newspapers published letters from her to Paul, they told her that they didn't want her at the ceremony anymore. But Marie went anyways, and eventually her honor and reputation were restored. So she got through all of it, and nowadays she's really respected and people admire her, and her help, she helps us every day in our lives, especially when you're getting an x-ray.